Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into a common question many Microsoft Teams users have. How to give control during a screen share. If you have ever found yourself needing to collaborate more effectively during a Teams meeting, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Before we jump into giving control, let's quickly review how to start a screen share on Microsoft Teams. So when you're in a meeting, you'll see the sharing option of your screen. Click on the share button, then select the specific application or screen you want to share. Once you're sharing, others in the meeting will be able to see your screen. You'll see the give control option. Select the participant you want to give control to, and here you go. It's worth noting that the person you're giving control to will receive a notification and they need to accept it. Once accepted, they will have control and you can easily reclaim it at any time by clicking on the same menu and selecting Take Back Control. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to share this video, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, like the video.